Welcome to Uptime.com, the leading uptime and performance monitoring provider. Uptime.com was founded in 2013 by IT professionals who noticed a gap in the marketplace. As a remote-only organization since our founding, we utilize an online always workforce spanning 4 continents and 14 countries to service globally recognized brands like Apple, Microsoft, PwC, and Kraft Heinz. To give you a quick snapshot, on a daily basis, our platform runs over 44.7 million monitoring checks, issues over 115,000 alerts, powers 2,500 plus status pages, over 4,000 active third-party integrations with other tools you trust, like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and PagerDuty, all while maintaining 99.999% platform uptime. Our easy-to-navigate UI makes it simple to kickstart your monitoring in seconds with tools like Uptime Intelligent Analyzer to generate basic domain health coverage with malware, virus checks, certificate verifications, HTTPS, and more. We offer over 20 different check types, ranging from basic checks to more advanced synthetic, real user monitoring checks and reporting, allowing us to create a 360-degree monitoring approach that focuses on availability with checks such as the HTTPS to monitor web IP, API endpoints, and to ensure URL response is 200 OK for functionality. With synthetic monitoring, transaction checks are available to test website calls to action and elements like forms, buttons, login, and checkout processes. And for experience, by monitoring load time, error rates, and page speed against performance thresholds with customizable real user monitoring. At Uptime.com, we understand that monitoring is only one aspect of accountability, and our native status page solution provides an additional layer to communicating outages and managing incidents and maintenance. We define status pages differently with 3 distinct types to meet each use case that are fully customizable with HTML and CSS. Internal status pages keep your team coordinated on updates, maintenance, and the status of your critical internal infrastructure. Public SLA pages provide 24/7, 365 reporting to your clients and stakeholders with interactive historical views and optional downloadable reports. Choose public status pages to give your regular site visitors insights into the status of your site and keep them informed every step of the way during an outage. When downtime occurs, our monitoring platform notifies internal stakeholders via escalating alerts, and reporting that you can trust is accurate with our sensitivity settings and alert threshold management tools. Create reports in seconds from your Uptime.com checks to report on overall uptime and SLA response time metrics, then easily set recurring schedules for reports to your account users or designated external stakeholders and select contacts. Redundancy is the key to eliminating false positives. We allow you to set custom locations as well as custom intervals, and each location runs consecutively within that interval. So, a check configured with 5 locations with a 1-minute interval is being checked from each location within that minute. Most of our competitors will only test from a second location if the first fails. While they're waiting for a location to fail, Uptime.com is testing multiple locations in real time every time a check is run, giving you better coverage, quicker alerts, and fewer false positives. Our checks can be custom set with your preferred test locations, and our service does not charge per location or per test, so you can truly control your coverage free from hidden fees. Uptime.com is all about granular monitoring and reporting, and that applies to our pricing as well. Once you create a subscription, you have the freedom to add single features as needed with our a la carte pricing model. Some providers obscure their pricing with runs or scenarios, and while they may initially appear less expensive, the lower price equals less consistent coverage. Uptime.com offers a check, whichever one it is, and that's the cost regardless of how many times you run it or how many probe servers you utilize. Accuracy, reliability, and flexibility are just a few of the reasons we're different from other monitoring providers. Another is our human approach to technical needs. Regardless of how much you spend, our 24/7 support team is available to every client through email, phone, and chat when you need us most, further proving Uptime.com's dedication to providing the best user-driven monitoring solution. Curious about Uptime.com? Try us out with a no credit card required free trial, or check the links in the description below to contact us directly for more information.